Hi there, my friends. This is Tony bringing you a quick review on how to change the batteries or put in the new batteries on the Oculus Quest. When you first get it, you get two batteries, which are just like that. You come in the box. So what you want to do, I got hold of the controller and I was like, or the wand, like, how do I open it up? You see that there, so you simply just pull it down. Just like that, and it's on a magnetic clip, so you see the instructions in there. Just drop that in like that, simply drop that in, and the magnetics underneath that clip will just go automatically. It's the same with that one. It comes down, you just pull it down, drop it in like that, and then you just clip it straight on, and it just goes on. Because there's that there, and I thought, well, do I click it? I couldn't, I was moving it. But it's simply a case of putting it down. So you need a little bit of force to pull it down, not too much, but if you do that, it won't, but a little bit. So pull straight down, and that reveals where the battery compartment is. And then that just slips straight in, and you're good to go. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped you out. Catch you later.